how to set or how to fix the time range to clear your Google Chrome history. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set a time range to clear all your Google Chrome history. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome and here click on those 3 points up there. And now click on history and click on clear browsing data. And like you see now, you have clear browsing data. Click on basic if you are in advanced. Click on basic and now click on time range and click on last 7 days. And here you can choose if you're gonna choose the last hours or last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. And just click on it, and this is it. And this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.